I wanted to take a moment to say thank you for subscribing to my channel and again supporting me. Really, thank you very much. I'm putting together a little montage here just to see how that goes. Hope you enjoy.
The hiccups are kind of just starting. I'm on the roof, of course, enjoying the beautiful sunrise as it lightens up the ocean and the sand. It's really quite remarkable how it goes from darkness, which was it was darker just a little bit ago, to brightness in a very short time. It's fascinating. So we got the boardwalk down here. Really a special place to be. I'm very, very fortunate in that respect. I've been here about 15 years. And just, it's really great. I mean, especially with the condition that I have, makes you almost a hermit. And just doing anything social is often ruined by these hiccups, and so I spend a lot of time indoors. But here I can just go outside and sit down on a bench and just watch people. I really just like that, so I'm happy with that. So kind of pays for itself. Been here, we're grandfathered in, so our rent is quite low comparably to just inland the block or two. It's just crazy what the rents have become. So we're kind of special that way. My morning meditation that I come up the roof and enjoy the sunrise while I'm hiccuping. It's amazing to see the sun light up the sand just want to take a moment on how you can help me pioneer this condition. I think some people are confused as to what the subscriber button does. It's a free button to push. You're not obligated to do anything. Just when you push the subscriber button, it just shows you supporting this channel. And if you have your system set up to remind you that a video has been posted, it will, or you can choose to not be notified. That's notifications. But that's it. And that number does for me, though. It helps me greatly because that's what all channels are going by, is their subscriptions and their views. Those numbers are very valuable to a YouTuber. For me, in my case, just to become monetized and to become part of the YouTube partnership, you have to meet criteria. So they're making money off of my videos currently, the video with the commercials that they play. For me to be able to even be a part of that, I have to meet really kind of strict criteria that could actually, or should happen in a few videos, especially when you're getting the kind of views that I'm getting, but it's not translating into the subscriber button for some reason. I'm just not sure why. But I have to meet 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time within a 12-month period. And that's already started about a month ago. I returned from a 2-year hiatus from posting videos, pioneering this condition to about a month ago. I posted my first of maybe 8 new videos. That's about 115 total. So I've got a good catalog of this condition pioneering, but I returned this time with the attitude that to produce content is exhausting, and it looks simple, but it's just quite involved, and I this time felt like I should be involved in a partnership with YouTube and be compensated for the videos that I post, like every content creator is doing. So when you hit the subscriber button, it's free for you, but those numbers matter to me and to YouTube, who's literally monitoring every aspect of every video I post and every video anybody posts. They have quite the system where they get down to if it's male or more versus females, the age range. It gets really involved. It's very intense. I still know a lot of it, but I do know the criteria for me to meet, and just to tap in, and then of course all that has to continue and grow, and that's how some of these have thousands and tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of subscribers, is that they always say somewhere in their video, subscribe, or don't forget to subscribe, push the like button, and share, which is kind of just pretty much standard for any YouTuber to say, and anybody watching, I think, hears that all the time. So I never liked saying it, so I didn't. In most of my videos, you'll hear me not asking for any of that. I just wasn't into that, but now there's a value to that, and so I ask you, please, for me and to help me pioneer this medical condition, to hit the subscriber button. It's no cost to you. It's just a number that adds up on my side that has value. And you can turn off the notifications so you don't have to be notified every time I post a video, or hopefully you are interested and want to see it first before others. And I am working on better content and creating better content because I have to create so much more as a YouTube partnership. But to do that, I have to feel like I'm, being a part of that. And so the subscriber button is probably the most valuable next to the views. And the views is, it's calculated by the time that you spend watching that video. The first time you viewed the video. It doesn't calculate the second time you see it or the third time you see it. Just the first time you go through the video, the time that you stay there is calculated time. And that's where the 4,000 hours comes in. And so we always encourage that you watch your first time run through any video all the way through. And then if you want to go back and repeat the video and just see certain parts or whatever, that's not calculated, but we certainly invite it. And old videos, apparently, old video time does count towards 4,000 hours. It's very complicated on my end. It's very simple on yours, and it's just an act of love and support to push the subscriber button. Watch the video first time through, all the way, and that's kind of how it goes here. Go to the movies. That's cute. Every day. The thing is, if there isn't a prescription written, doctors don't know what to do. I've had everything. A lot of us aren't responding to any of the treatments. So it requires more research and study. And nobody's willing to take the time because we're just too small of a community needing help. So we're sort of abandoned by the medical community. If we're not responding to the current treatments that were found to work by some doctor at some point, well, they need to revisit that to learn more. For people like me that isn't responding to any of the current treatments. Very frustrating pioneering a medical condition. It's such an internal war
It's so disabling that I can't even work. I lost 2 careers over this. My partner suffered. He's got to carry the burden. People often forget that there's usually a caregiver behind all this. And their world's turned upside down too. Often dealing with my bitchy attitude sometimes. Because I'm just frustrated and exhausted. I appreciate all your support. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Those numbers matter for me.
Take my head off.
Magic trick. I just got the tail end of a choking spasm. I didn't get the camera on. It's just too hard to get it on sometimes. Oh my gosh.
Please help me pioneer this condition and subscribe to my channel. It helps me with YouTube. Those numbers matter. I'm so grateful for the subscribers that I do have. Thank you for helping me pioneer this condition. Not a lot of us out there. We're out there. I see more people putting it online, which is good. It's a condition that not responding to any of the treatments for hiccups, current treatments. So I'm just stuck. A lot of us. Also, I have a whole catalog of videos. Please check them out. This is not a traditional YouTube channel. This is pioneering a very, very difficult medical condition, intractable hiccups. And so you're subscribing. Numbers help me advance within the YouTube family. And of course views, but and sharing my vid. All it's very helpful in the pursuit of educating intractable hiccups is a real condition, disabling condition. Me from 2 careers. So thanks. That will hopefully help me pioneer this condition. This is an extremely rare form of hiccups that doctors are just dumbfounded how to treat us. So I'm stuck in a pioneering position. And so your support and just pushing the subscriber button is I'm very grateful for. Those numbers help me. And to view these videos I have all the way through is extremely helpful. YouTube's about numbers. And so thank you very much for your help.
Oh, God. Oh.
Listen, I just wanted to take a minute to answer a question from the comments. The question was, do you ever get breaks? Yes, I'm in a break. Gratefully, I am in a break, and so I wanted to get on and show you what it's like when I'm not hiccuping. I do get breaks every day, still, thankfully, but it's progressing. So like when 2015, when it started, I was only hiccuping 2 to 3 days a week. Then it advanced to 3 to 4 days a week, and then it advanced to 5 to 6 days a week, and then it jumped to 7 days a week in the last few years now, actually. 12-hour episodes, so it's like, sort of has like this built-in clock, it feels like. And so it'll go for 12 hours, and then I don't know what kind of aggression it will be. If it will be tolerable, where I can function, or just so aggressive that I'm hiccuping, choking, having spasms, and just unfunctional. Sometimes when we're out, if we go out somewhere, that'll just suddenly just start up, because with the hiccups, it doesn't like me enjoying life. It just doesn't. It likes to steal everything away. It doesn't like me eating. It doesn't like me laughing. It doesn't like me elevating my voice. It doesn't like anything. So it's constantly a threat. And so I never get to just relax. Even coming up here, it tried to start just walking up the steps. So you just never know. And that can go on for, again, like I said, 12-hour in length. And it just gets so exhausting. But this is a good note message, so I just want to leave it there and say thank you to all the new subscribers that have come on board and all the loyal subscribers that have been there for me. I really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.
Love the movies. That's cute. Magic trick. It calms down now. I turn the camera. Yeah.